Hello everyone and welcome to Traffic Turbo channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a retro vintage sunset design with a free Canva version without even paying 1 cent and without using any complicated designs program like Photoshop or Illustrator. Everything is for free and on Canva. And let's get started. So how can we draw the circle vintage sunset beautiful design? First of all, we go to the background. Maybe we can make it like gray. Okay, and then we go to element and type circle, and I'm gonna choose, as you can see, it is free. This is free, this is pro, so I'm gonna choose the free one. I like that one. And then we can go for element again and press rectangle. Awesome. And then we can choose the rectangle and then minimize a little bit, make it a little bit bigger, and then try to match the rectangle color with the background color, which is gray. So I think it's that one. Yeah, so it's the same. Make it a little bit smaller, and here we go. We can start, for example, from the middle, because I like the first half to be full and the other middle we can make the effect. So it's gonna be something like that. So we can duplicate that from here 1 2 3 4 times. Take this here, and this, for example, over there, and make it a little bit like that. And here we go, guys. We have a beautiful vintage retro design. This is the first simple one. I'm gonna show you another complicated one. Also, what can you do here is you can go for the effects right here, sorry, filter, and you can choose the filter you want. For example, if you want to do like epic, so you can control the intensity, as you can see. Summer, you can make the intensity a little bit higher, a little bit lower, as you can see. You can go for grayscale and make it totally like that. Street gray, retro even. As you can see, I can even change the color. Or also from here, I can change the transparency. So I make it a little bit transparent or a little bit vintage or like that. So you can choose whatever you want or just none. So this is the first part on how to make a retro vintage design simply with Canva with this amazing method. I'm gonna show you another method to make a variation of colors and everything later in this video, so stay tuned. So let's duplicate or add a new page, for example. So let's go for another page, read everything, and for example make this time the background black. Okay, so if you want to make the normal vintage effect, which has a lot of colors, so we can do something like that. Concentrate with me. First of all, we go to element and we can make, for example, half circle. Great. So we can choose this half. Perfect. Make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. Cool. And then what we can do is to duplicate 3 or 4 times. 1 2 3 4, and here we go, they are here. 1 2 3 4, doesn't matter now. Okay, so we're gonna work on this. So first of all, we're gonna crop that one. We can make it first of all orange to make it stunning a little bit, and then we're gonna crop just adjust a little bit here, and then right, done. And here we go, we have the first part with this curvy style. Okay, so we take the another part and come here exactly over the first half, and also change the color maybe to like bright orange, and then crop, and then from the upper part go exactly at the border of the first one. Cool. And then from the lower part try to make the same distance like that, and then done. And here we go. You can see now we have two portions. We will do the same. Maybe that one is like red. From here go down, crop, and then go down, down, down. As you can see, 1 second is the third one. We go exactly on the border, and from here we make like that, and done. And here we go, the red part. The next part we can make like whatever you want, guys. So we can make like light blue and crop, the same steps, and from down to here, done. And the last one we can leave it as it's blue, so like that, crop, the final one here, and just like that, done. So here we go. We can always adjust that to be bigger or smaller, as you can see. So we can make this like group, so just select everything and group, so you can just play with them all together. We can make a duplicate from that one and rotate 180 degree from here, as you can see. 180. Here we go. We can also adjust this to be a little bit like that. If you cannot adjust it like that, we can do shift and then hold up, 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 and here we go. Perfect. Retro vintage design. You can choose whatever you want. You can choose the color you want. You can also add some effects, like you can add for example dots, or you can add shadow or do something like that. You have different type of jobs here for free, like this one or like that one, as you can see. You can also copy that here, paste it, or just duplicate several times. Okay, sorry, I duplicate the vintage. I'm very sorry. I have to duplicate the dots. So duplicate dots, as you can see, and put them randomly like that, and give this perfect, beautiful design. Okay, and also we can change the transparency if you want. We can change the position, we can change the style, whatever you like. So we can come here, for example, and change the transparency to be like that, like that. Like the first half is a little bit darker than the second part, something like that, as you can see. Or also we can do the same for the second part, like this, to have the vintage effect. Okay, and also you can just put here a graphic, maybe like a dog or something. And yeah, we can put this cute duck right here, adjust it. Yeah, we can add some text, and here we go. We have the retro vintage design from scratch without even using Photoshop or the Canva paid tool. It's all for free. You can do whatever you want. Hope you like this video, guys, and wait me for another tutorial on Canva. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.